Welcome to our quick guide on how to show your profile photo to everyone on WhatsApp web on PC with the latest update. If you've ever wondered how to make your presence a little more visible to friends and contacts while using WhatsApp on your computer, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps clearly so you can set this up in minutes. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer and sign in if you aren't already. You'll see your chats on the left and your conversation pane on the right. On the top right corner, look for the gear icon. This is your gateway to settings, and clicking it opens a small menu with several options. From there, select Privacy. This section controls who can see various parts of your profile, including your personal details and your profile photo. In Privacy, you'll find a list of categories such as last seen, about, status, and profile photo. We're focusing on profile photo, so click that option to adjust who can view your image. You'll be presented with 3 or 4 choices, depending on your app version: everyone, my contacts accept, or a similar variant. To show your profile photo to everyone, choose everyone. This setting means anyone who can reach you on WhatsApp will be able to see the photo you've set as your profile picture, not just your saved contacts. Once you've selected everyone, the change takes effect immediately. There's no need to restart WhatsApp web or sign out. You can test it by asking a friend who is not saved in your contacts to check your profile photo on their device. If they can see it, you've successfully updated the privacy setting. A quick tip: if you ever want to tighten your privacy later, you can return to privacy profile photo and switch back to my contacts or another option. Regularly reviewing these settings helps you balance visibility with privacy on the platform you use most. That's all there is to it. With these few clicks, your WhatsApp web profile photo becomes visible to everyone, making it easier for people to recognize you across chats and groups. If you found this guide useful, try it now and let us know how it changes your WhatsApp experience.